Nourish your body with this easy and healthy pumpkin potato curry that resets your gut and detoxes your body. Simple and nutritious, it is pure comfort food when paired with rice or roti. Come, let's explore. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hema's Health Hub. Here, I have gathered the vegetables for the curry. The sweet pumpkin, earthy potato and the soulful spices are simmered and cooked to make an ideal low-calorie food that secretly detoxes your body. Let's get cooking. To a heavy bottomed pan, add some oil, let it pick up a little heat, then add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and hing. Hing or asafoetida adds nice fragrance and aids digestion. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add methi powder. Methi or fenugreek powder gives a wonderful aroma and reduces acidity and heartburn. Continue adding the rest of the ingredients: curry leaves, ginger, green chilies and onions. Saute the onions for a bit and then add potato. Let the potatoes cook on medium heat for a couple of minutes. By the way, did you know that the potassium in the potato helps maintain regular heartbeat? Time to add in a little haldi and dhania powder. Mix well and saute for a minute or so till the spices roast well with the potatoes and onions. Next we add pumpkin. Pumpkin or kaddu is my favorite. Give it a good mix. Pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, like in carrots, which promotes and sharpens eyesight. Pumpkins are also rich in vitamin E and C, which help boost collagen production and protects our skin from stress. Plus, pumpkins are so versatile that it can be used in varied preparations, like in curries, stews, soups, maybe salads, desserts, and many more. I'll just leave kaddu to your imagination. While talking about the many health benefits of pumpkin, I almost forgot to mention that I had added hot water and salt, now adding red chili powder. This is entirely optional. I like my curries a little spicy, so that extra heat. Wow, what an aroma! The vegetables pumpkin and potato have also softened perfectly while absorbing all the flavors from the spices. Adding the final touches, a bit of garam masala and a handful of dhania for the garnish. Let's dish out and start plating. This pumpkin and potato curry is not only delicious but healthy too. A perfect recipe for the Weight Watchers, as both pumpkin and potato are fiber-rich vegetables. And for the plating, I'm going to pair this rich and healthy pumpkin potato curry with rice, and alongside I have a little mango pickle or kotta avakaya made this summer. I also make it a point to have my lunch with a little bit of ghee, which is good for health. I hope you liked today's recipe. Give your valuable thoughts on this and thank you so much for watching.